Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments joins us now for the Trader Rundown. A lot of Fed talk this week.
Yeah, Powell's on the Hill.
Absolutely. What do you think here? How many cuts do you project for this year? What are traders saying?
The market had been pricing in 3. We had that jobs report last week. We kind of took one off the table, especially a double cut, a 50-point cut in the next meeting. That was taken off the table, which was that good news is bad news for the market. It's kind of a weird situation. Usually when we're cutting rates, we're expecting to see bad news as good news or good news as good news. Right now we're in this point of just how many cuts are there going to be? Good economic news, good economic data will mean fewer cuts. He was on the Hill yesterday. He really set the table that he's going to cut. He wants to see inflation. He wants to see a 2% rate. So that means if we get to 2%, we're going to let it go over 2%. He's willing to cut rates to allow the economy to inflate.
And yet the S&P 500 storming above 3,000. Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's been a phenomenal run the past 5 years, going from 2,000 to 3,000. It's incredible to see this growth in the market. We're getting some consolidation at this 3,000 level. I really like what I'm seeing. I want to see it consolidate. I want to see the semiconductors make new all-time highs. Those are kind of consolidating too. So if we see a new relative high in the semiconductors, I'll be confident with the market for the rest of 2019.
What would you be doing with your money right here?
Well, given the fact, of course, that we're on an all-time high, we have a VIX sub 13 right now as we're talking. I would like to take a little off the table in the market, put a little more protection on, just make sure that I'm protected. Maybe either be along the market in calls or have some puts on, just protecting the downside, because of course the higher they are, the harder they fall.
Good Trader Talk. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.